So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, to favorite YouTuber. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys a simple home remedy tips you should use to rejuvenate and make your skin look so softer and glowing like a baby skin. Okay, and I'm going to be using three different ingredients. Three different ingredients. You might be wondering what the third ingredient is. Don't worry, continue watching the video. In the course of the video you will know what the third ingredient will be. Okay, this over here is a turmeric powder. This is turmeric powder. This is how it looks like. You can get this in your local mall or supermarkets, stores, anywhere around you. Okay, this is very cheap. I got this in my local market around me here in Nigeria. This is coconut oil. Coconut oil. You can do this by yourself at home by getting coconut and compressing out the oil, or you can also buy the coconut oil from the market. Already made coconut oil is in the market. Okay, so this is my coconut oil over here. So let's dive right into the video. Continue watching the video guys, because in the course of the video I'll be sharing with you guys tips on how to use these face masks and how to see great effects. Okay, so let's continue this video by going right into it and making the mask. All we'll be needing is the turmeric over here, which we already have, a tablespoon of turmeric, so you just want to mix it well together. Mix it well to get an even paste. So it's time for us to put our third ingredient, which is going to be the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Guys, surprise, is the olive oil. So just take 2 tablespoons, 1, 2, and you mix also. You mix to get an even paste, which is very important. You want to get an even paste. Okay, so you just mix well until it's all even. So guys, our mask is ready. Super